I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you why I be the more. Picking the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me.
Seatbelt extender. Please inform.
This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that she could believe all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Waking the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. She's unruly.
Sanibonani Dumelang, hope you are well. Igama lami nguBuswa kaMhlongo and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you are most welcome. I hope you enjoy and I hope you stay. To my fam, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. I truly appreciate it. And my roots back this week. It's a Sunday. I left Joburg at 3:30. We landed in Durban, and then from Durban we drove down to Maritzburg. We just got back from having dinner at Rocco Mama's. I didn't vlog that, unfortunately. Sometimes we are tired, we are down, we all just landed. You don't want to be pulling. I'm with my colleagues, obviously. You don't want to be pulling a camera and read the room. I usually don't mind vlogging with my colleagues, but sometimes, you know, the spirits were down, we're tired, and you don't want to be that girl. Yeah, but otherwise, yeah, I'm back in the room now. It is 8:15 now. Yeah, I'm gonna unpack my suitcase and do my night skincare routine and call it a night. I also didn't sleep last night. I was editing until I think 3 o'clock. I couldn't sleep immediately after editing. Maybe I ended up sleeping at 4 o'clock. I needed to be up to get ready for the airport, and my mom called me so early in the morning. I remember that she called me because I was like, I just fell asleep and now you are calling me. But I'm also tired, yeah, because of that. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to come in here and open this vlog. I reach back until Friday, and then from Friday I'm gonna be going to Durban. I'm gonna spend the weekend in Durban. I'm only flying back to Joburg on Sunday. So it's gonna be a long, interesting week. I can't wait to see my friends here and my baby. My friend, my bestie, gave birth in March, and I couldn't see the baby that time. She was still in hospital, but now I'm gonna get to see my baby. I'm excited about that and I can't wait. So yeah, let's see what this week has in store for us. Super excited, grateful for life, and just happy girl. All right, guys, take care. Let's catch up later. Not me forgetting my toothbrush. Now I'm rushing to Pick n Pay to get a toothbrush. I need the cheapest.
It's not my fault.
There is a Clicks before the Pick n Pay, so I just went to Clicks and 26 rands. I was charging my toothbrush at home before leaving, then I forgot to charge. Yep, you see, that's one of the reasons I stopped using the other one. All these inconveniences for getting a charger, it's dying, but yeah, I'm gonna get used to it again.
Yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking. You stole. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's
Jacket coming in handy. The way okumakhaza ngakhona. Few days in PMB. Arriving on Sunday was nice because we didn't have to wake up early on Monday morning to go to the airport. But we've been here for long. It feels like it's been long. Waiting for my friend now. We're gonna go out and see what Maritzburg has in store for us. Excited about that one. Morning, guys. Friday ufigile. I just got ready to check out, and before checking out, I wanted to come in just to close this part of the vlog in Maritzburg. Yep, like I said at the beginning, I've been in Maritzburg the whole week for work, obviously, and I didn't vlog much. We're staying at Stay Easy in Maritzburg, next to Midlands Mall. Yeah, yes, I think it's Midlands. I'll put the name of the mall. We're staying next to the mall, so for dinner they were getting a voucher to buy from few restaurants at the mall, and then I was eating this. I ate the same thing the whole week. I was eating at Spare. I ate the same thing: creamy spinach, butternut, nacho schnitzel, chicken schnitzel, and thank God on Wednesday I went to Tule's house. My friend Tule, who stays here in Maritzburg, I visited her house. Her mom had cooked samp and chicken. Yumminess. So that was a nice break. I enjoyed that. And yeah, it was a beautiful evening. You know, I was thinking sometimes laziness, the way it steals from us, because I came here, I think how many years ago? I think 2 years ago, I could have reached out to Tule and I could have had beautiful experiences even then, but I'm glad I did this time around. It was amazing. No regrets. I'm happy. I came back full, wholesome. So thank you, friend, for inviting me into your family. And yes, that was amazing. Yeah. And Thursday we concluded our work, and then now I'm checking out. Now we start the fun part. Now the vlog really starts. See, we booked an Airbnb in Mhlanga. My friend is coming over. Like I've said, I haven't seen our baby, so I'm gonna get to see our baby. And Durban is always a vibe. One thing for sure, one thing about it, kuzoba mnandi.
Well, baby, got a hold on it, let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. You can let them stare at it.
Bengizenza fresh. Ngangadla breakfast at the hotel this morning. Now I am starving. Actually, there is it's a Stonehouse cafe in Hillcrest, not far from Kingsley College. We stopped by to grab something to eat. So hopefully the food is nice. Yes, my first time here. It's a family restaurant. There's a play area for kids and moms are here having their mimosas. It's chill vibes, chill vibes. So let's order and eat.
But you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip. Souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake. Stars are in line. I'm posted. Lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do. Just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Outside. Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burn. New worlds, whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're mine. Shame, no games. I wanna fall,
Thank you.
fall in love. I'll be your savage. I'll be your baddest bitch. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Each other, counting the hours till I see.
Lokudla kuningi ntombazane iqamba amanga shame. Kanti kungakanani uthenge kunela abantu abawu-3 befuna sithenge kwabantu abawu-4. Yes. Ngize ngathenga oku-extra lokhu ukuthi just in case. Ila nje yabo la kunesani yemhlanga. Lapho ezansi nje. Oh, isikwaqana.
In love, vulnerable. In love, I'll give you options. I'll be your perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shit.
Hi guys. Hi guys. I felt like I've been neglecting you guys. In fact, I know I've been neglecting you guys. I've been up and down, up and down, up and down. Yes, I'm recording, but I'm not talking to you guys. Like, yeah, but yeah, it's Friday evening. We just had dinner and I have had just one some Woolies bubbles. Ooh. I'm having some Woolies bubbles. My friend came, we had dinner. Last time I came on my vlog, which I'm gonna link here, last time I was in Durban, I had gone to Mushroom and I wanted to try the food, but unfortunately the food was finished, so I couldn't get the full experience. But now this time around we got the food and we couldn't eat there because my friend has a baby who's 3 months old, so obviously we had to come back home to enjoy, but we still enjoyed the experience. It was lovely. We enjoyed the food from Mushroom. Nice. Yeah, and we actually earlier on went to Gateway. I haven't been to Gateway in a while, so yeah. Actually, Gateway is big as well. Gateway is big. Yeah. Guys, please let me know, am I the only one who gets overwhelmed when you go to the shops and there's a sale? We went to Zara. Oh my goodness, I struggled because things are messed up with the sizes. They what got to know, sir. They are the whole experience of being in the shops when there's a sale. When there are sales, I struggle. So I ended up just buying a bag. I couldn't. They're looking for clothes. I can't. I struggle. So if you are like that as well, please let me know, because surely I can't be the only one. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to come in, guys, and let's, yeah. The day is over. I'm tired. It's been a long week, and obviously now the check-in, the going to the mall, and we like buying fruit. We went to Woolies, getting something to drink, and that can be tiring as well. And then going to Mushroom to buy dinner and catching up with my friend, and I feel like the whole day I've been but still wanted to come in. Let's see what tomorrow has in store for us. I'm sure it's gonna be nice. We're planning to go for lunch with my friend. I also wanna go to the beach in the morning, and I'll most probably be closing this vlog tomorrow evening so that I can be able to edit and drop it before heading to the airport, or I'll drop it when I'm at the airport, but I'll see how we do that. Okwamanje mina ngiyalala, ngikhathele. Yeah, guys, nilale kahle. It's not gonna be night when you're watching this, but it's night right now here. Oh, this Airbnb is nice. Obviously these Airbnb bomhlanga, they're old, but it's, yeah, you can see, man, it's nice. Mhlanga standard of Airbnb, the ones by the ocean, they're old, but you see it's nicely painted. It's white. They've put an effort also on the beds. Can you see, like, in terms of interior, they would living room one, Kosho ngalama couch blue, but it's beach style vibes with, and obviously also outside they have the plastic, because ulwandle izinto ziyam, what is it called when they become brown, so having wood and plastic makes sense because of that. And the shower is, yeah, it's an old thingy. It's an old apartment, but it's well kept. You can see the owners, they take care of the place. It's well kept. Yeah, that's the word. It's well kept. But other than that, in fact, not even other than that, I'm loving it here. It's a beach apartment, clean, beautiful in its own way. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to come in, khulume face to face, and catch you guys up on what's going on, and ngiyanthanda isicefe sento. Ngiyalala manje, sokhuluma kusasa. Yes. Ntombazane iyahleka neyisini.
Yebo. Na sampoto bizancane. Sampoto bizancane, tobe mayijova.
kodwa le nkunzi malanga yeshawa nobava. Yo, it's giving 1966. Sigezeni sibangene. Umuntu nje wazi wanebhadi ufika emhlanga kunomoya kumakhaza nyana. It's a bit of a breeze. Washa.
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? Can you match me? I like fancy things. Shine on my body. But you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la.
A very beautiful morning from Bronze Bay in Umhlanga. How stunning! Hot girl walk by the beach.
Setting the table in all the chic, baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just
Lalela.
luxury. Cover these scars in diamonds. Luxury. Every day I'm alive. It's giving lux, yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la.
I do not believe it's Sunday and I'm not dropping a vlog. I'm so hurt, but I don't want to beat myself up because these things they happen and it's life. Otherwise, I'm still in Umhlanga. We are having young mimosas and coffee. We've had something to eat at the Airbnb already. We had leftover Nando's and now we're just having some young mimosas before heading to the airport. We still have a bit of time before we need to be at the airport. So now, yesterday, you know, when you travel with the baby or when you're on holiday with the baby, I had plans for Saturday, but life had other plans for us. I still had a beautiful Saturday with my friend catching up and seeing my baby. We have come to the end of this vlog that is all over the place. Please forgive me and be patient with me, but yeah, I'm closing this vlog here. Like I said, we are just a few hours before we need to, we are an hour maybe or two before we need to head to the airport, and from there I won't be recording any, I won't be saying anything, I won't be coming in to speak to you guys. So I'll be closing this vlog here. I just want to thank you for your love, thank you for your support. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and show your girl some love. If you don't know what to say in the comment section, just leave a heart. That will go a long way in supporting the channel and helping me grow. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys, I appreciate you once more. Cheers, bye.
I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just.
It's so hot.